Come the roaring ragged, come the live and lane, nearly every Appalachian played the front porch game. It was tell a story straight from an old time tune. It was kiss and swing your partner by the light of the moon. Some would rise to meet them from a front porch stool. Some were sitting in a rocking chair or sat across a mule, with a smile to greet them and an outstretched hand.